little bit of a case update on him. If you remember, he had some trouble with the law enforcement. He was charged with possession of a firearm, felon in possession of a firearm, so that because he's got prior felonies and he can't possess a firearm without it being a violation of the law. This happened as a result of a video, and some interesting things happened in this case favorable to the defense. Now, he got busted in California, as you remember, and then extradited back to Louisiana, and then bond was denied, and then all of a sudden they filed another motion, and they put together a set of conditions that would ensure his remain law-abiding and curfew, and also his reappearance at court. So he's been kind of in lockdown in his own home in Utah. Now, what happened in this case? Well, in this case, the judge said that the video warrant was rendered invalid because the officer who wrote it included misleading information, namely a statement claiming that the reliable witness had informed the police that a group of people were brandishing firearms and filming a rap video on September 28th, 2020. But in reality, the allegation about people brandishing firearms came from an anonymous tip on a 911 call on September 20th, while the allegations about the rap video allegedly was relayed to a senior officer on September 20th by a so-called reliable source. So the judge said the whole truth would have included that the tip about the rap video came on September 27th and not September 28th, which would have negated probable cause to search the SD cards and camera for evidence who possessed firearms or narcotics on September 28th, Judge Dick said. It was also significant that to have a motion to suppress granted in whole or in part, and any time you succeed in the federal system, that type of victory is magnified to an even greater degree, the finding says. So here's what it means. It means there's a whole cache of video evidence that they cannot use. That's a huge defense victory. So if they can't use the videos, what can they use? Well, it didn't exclude the firearms that were found as a result of the search, but they're going to have to put that in his hands somehow. I don't know how they're going to do that. But his trial is scheduled for May 16th. Now, you remember he is on curfew and house arrest and that kind of thing.